Hi guys! For today's video, we're going to do another unboxing. This is AGV and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, we have to unbox the new shoes that I bought today. And this is winter boots. It's because I need a new one, something warm, because my Echo that I use in kindergarten, and another winter shoes. I feel like it's getting colder and colder every day because we are down to -15, and it's getting colder again because it's going to be how you call this? It's going to be, I'm not sure if it's correct, but it says that it's going to rain a lot next week, and it's going to be slippery. So I need something that can help me and my feet and my body avoid the accident by falling or sliding on icy roads, especially working in kindergarten. It's quite difficult, especially, or hard, especially if the shoes that I'm wearing, or if you have a shoes that is already older, and at the same time it needs an upgrade. So for today's video, I bought I'm not sure, it's OKAKI. It's athletic performance. This is a winter boots, and it cost 1,999, and it's 38 in size. So this is it. It's OKAKI, combining performance and street fashion. OKAKI is a fusion of function and trend. OKAKI products are made top quality materials and newest performance technologies. It's crazy pricey. I wanted to buy the moon boots, but I don't find it in store, and I can't, or in the boutiques that we have been, and I can't wait that long. Maybe by next month, you never know, I'm going to buy that, but we'll see, because I'm not sure how long the winter will stay, and never noticed, then it changed the weather already, and then it's already spring. So my new winter boot is color light brown and mocha color, and a combination of dark, light brown, and mocha. And inside, the sole actually is, I tried it in stores. The size that I bought is 38 because I wanted to have space on my toes so that it can move, and at the same time I want my feet to breathe, especially I'm wearing thick wool socks. And plus the weather is getting colder, so I'm using extra socks most of the time, and I'm changing it also. So I have some extra socks in kindergarten or at my work. So when I sometimes step on the floor that is wet with snow, when it's snow, when you come in from, if you're outside and then you get in, then there's a lot of snow in your shoes, or the kids' shoes. So once you step on the floor is heated, so it melts and then it becomes water. And then when you step on it, then of course you get wet on the socks. So you have to make sure that you change your socks, or you have a dry socks on, or else you will freeze. And at the same time, it will also make your shoes moist, and can also cause, this thing that nobody likes to have, smelly foot. So inside actually is made of wool, and let's put it on. Also, I bought some extra wool sole, and this is also size 38. This is thermo warm to keep me extra warm, because I easily get cold on my feet. And this is wool, guys, the same as this, and there is like a foil that will isolate your feet, or the warm from your, it will help your feet isolated and keep it warm. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on here, Anba, because it also has a wool.
Oh. Det går bra.
So I will try to.
Du sikker på det?
Yeah.
Og de andre sålene, de blanke under.
Yeah. Så jeg vil ikke ha på det, jeg vil ikke destroy her, Anba. Jeg vil ikke ødelegge den.
Nei.
Så jeg kan bruke den på en annen sko. So that's why I talked to Anba. This is also wool and it's waterproof. The sole inside. So if I use extra wool and if you put it on like this, it will destroy the other wool, and at the same time, it will be crazy warm. It's not so good also if it's crazy warm. It's just normal to have this one, guys, because it's new. So I will use this one to my other winter boots because I find it quite cold already, especially I'm not sure it's very old already, guys, my other shoes that I have in kindergarten. And the reason why I want to put on new sole so that, you know, it's moist already, the other one. So I'm not sure how it's not holding my feet warm anymore. So that's the reason I bought new one, and I'm going to bring it into the garden tomorrow. So I don't have to put it on here, guys, because actually this is good enough, and it's also new. So if ever I use this one, then I have to take out the other sole inside. So now I'm putting it back, so make sure that it's in the right place, or else I will have problem with my feet. And there's another one, comes with this, you know, to keep your feet or the shoes away from mold. So it's keeping it super dry. And I can also use this to my other shoes. So now I will save it. So without further ado, let's sit on this and let's try putting it on. I will have to check the other shoes also has the, what do you call this, winter boots. I'm usually wearing 37, 38. My size actually is 37 and a half, so it's perfect fit with 38. And I tried also 39. It's crazy, what do you call this, quite big enough. So this one is perfect, I can say. Wait, this is quite difficult, so bear with me. Now let's put it on. Everything is in place, so you have to loosen a little bit the shoelace. Put it on this way. I have my wool socks also now on, and the merino wool leggings, and put on the other one. Oh, I like the, so I have to, I'm not sure, I have to loosen a little bit maybe, so that it can really, it's not too tight. I want my shoelace quite loose this way, so I don't have to. And put it this way, and then tighten up the shoes. Perfect. And the other one. This way, loosen up a little bit, and it's now loose. The other one is not loose because it's quite tight in this side, so I want it a little bit loose. There you go. And next will be this one, because it's easier. The reason why, guys, I do this is easier to put on, especially when you are working in kindergarten. You have to do it faster, because then you will have problem if you are not fast enough, because you know the kids are very impatient. So wait, I have to double check how it's going to do it. This way. Oh, this is quite, there you go. Now it's in perfect condition. So I have to, you know, tighten it this way. I have to fix it this way. but I have to fix it later. So it's easier for me to fix the shoelace, that you can only, you know, pull it on and off without untying the shoelace. So it's on place, and that's how it is, guys. You see? I'll see how it is. I love it. Perfect. This one is loose. This one, the other one is quite tight, so I have to adjust it again. This one is quite tight. This one is a bit loose. And this one is the perfect. This side, guys, is the perfect fit. This one is quite tight in here, which is wrong, so totally.
Det är för stora.
Nej. No, it's not big. I'm talking about here. I want it loose, so it's easier to put on and off when I'm in kindergarten or at work. So, I love it. Oops. Sorry about that. Let's put it out this way. And there you go. Perfect. And I like the grip, the sole here. It's really going to keep me on the ground without falling down, especially on icy road. So this is it, guys. I love it. Thanks for watching. Quality wise, quite pricey, but the quality, and it's popular. Most of my colleagues are wearing these shoes also, and they are satisfied. So, and Stephanie also have the same boots. I mean the same brand, but different winter boots, and it's color black. It's how do you call this? It's like a sneaker, but it's a winter shoes also. So, I love it. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. As you can see that the sign here, it means leather. So this is 100% leather. This side here, this is leather. This one is gummy rubber. So it's a mix of rubber and leather. So it's either here, this side, and here is made of leather. I love it, and plus it has a reflex here. That light one, guys, is a reflex. So same with this when you walk, especially in the night. So once the light is on, it will reflect. Love it.